I can just give you one login validation kind of thing with the help of this if else only in the front end stuff. This is not going to be related to back end because in the JavaScript that's not going to be included. At the time of MERN, the people are here for MERN. That time with the MongoDB and all we will be doing it. But right now the very local ways, local you can say server validation things we are going to see just to check the if else stuff with the HTML. Right, today we are working on this, so let's do it. Okay, simple login validation I'm going to tell. If else things with the operators and alert box, if you want to use, you can use. So here we go, HTML script ID, user ID I'm taking, then password I'm taking. Okay, then I'm taking user ID gives input, like user will giving input, prompt, enter user ID. Suppose. So the person can enter the user ID here, and for the password also we will give the same prompt, enter password. Okay. So simple if else I'm going to use, as I told you that it is going to be for that only user ID. If it is equal to it is static, completely the values are given from here only. I'm giving suppose user, and the password is let's say secure. So we can alert or we can write it on the front end page. It's completely up to you. Valid login, else alert invalid login. Okay, let's try to run it by 4. Here directly it's asking me to enter the user ID, let's say Ekta, and you know that it is not correct. Okay, this is wrong, but the password I am giving correct. Okay, here I have not used any masking. So invalid login, it's giving correctly, and here if I just give the correct user and secure, let's say, so it gives valid login. That's absolutely fine. Okay, so this was like a very like you can say things related to this stuff, front end things.